Great side-by-side race, and it's going to be the Prock Rocket with low ET of the weekend. Look at that, 386.3, 337 miles per hour from Austin Prock, the fastest funny car run in this track's history by the Ford Racing Mustang, a new track.
Would not count Shawn out of that conversation. We'll see how much. Oh, they're going to push it. And Shawn Langdon goes 369.5 again at 333 miles an hour. That's back-to-back 69s for that team.
And it's so good on the starting line. Let's watch these two. Can they go to the top? Yes, they can. Greg Anderson lowers the boom on the field. 6:55.0, 209.36, number one, Greg Anderson.
And it's a red light start by Gaige Herrera in this one. Richard Gadsden, 0.23 green. Herrera missed the tree by a mere 0.07 of a second. Chops the throttle shut. He runs a 6.76 to the 6.85 of Gadsden, but he's got nothing to show for it.
Welding, pumps, regulators, filters, fueling champions.